Crypto Webbo here. In this video, I'll be talking about Futurestrade.io, giving you a presentation of how this program works and how to earn using this platform. Now, if you're new to this channel and you like this content, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the bell notification so when I drop another video, you'll get notified. And also, don't forget to like the video. With that being said, I just want to make this disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor, nor am I giving you financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a guy on YouTube showing you how I'm growing my cryptocurrency by using these platforms. So before you make a deposit into these platforms, make sure you do your own due diligence, your own research, because you can lose some or all of your cryptocurrency. So only invest or make a deposit fund that you can afford to lose. With that being said, let's get into the platform. Now, as you can see right here, how you can earn, it's to earn 1 to 3% daily profit, passive income with crypto future trading. And that's what this platform is all about. It's all about trading cryptocurrency. Now, as you can see right here, it says Future Trading Access Management Company that use advanced technique tools to trade in the cryptocurrency market. And that's what this owner does. He uses tools to trade cryptocurrency. And you can earn up to 190% return on your investment. It also has fast payout. They have a transparent and honest CEO, experienced trader, and live trading report. And also the company is registered. So what is Futurestrade.io? Futurestrade.io is a future trading asset management company that use advanced trading techniques, tools to trade in the cryptocurrency market to generate up to 190% profit for our investors in just a month. Now, here's the owner, as you can see right here. And the owner is Dylan Cornell. And this is what Dylan says. He says, I am a cryptocurrency and stock trader and investor in different markets for the last 5 years. And after successfully building my portfolio from just $2,000 to $2 million in the last 1 year, I thought it was time for me to pay it back, to help others take advantage of the booming crypto market. And that's why I have come up with a project that is going to change lives. And we are not here to make false promises. That's what Dylan says. And he also says, Futurestrade is a well-built platform to provide long-term passive income for the masses. That's what Dylan offers. Now, this platform also have a referral program attached to it, as you can see here. And it says up to 20% referral commission. They have 3 levels here. They have a beginner's, expert leader, a VIP leader, and an elite leader. Now, the beginner is the first level. Once you sign up, make a deposit, you are a beginner. You refer people. Now, with this platform, you don't have to refer anyone. You can earn passively. But if you're a team builder and you like referring people to build a team, this program allows you to do that. Now, as you can see here, the beginners, you earn on your first level 6%. On your second level, 2%. On your third level, 1%. On your first level, on your fourth level, 1%. Now, you don't have to have a team turnover on your first level. That's when you make your deposit, you are a beginner. Now, once you step up to the next level and become an expert leader, you make 12%. You earn 7% on your first level, 2% on your second level, 3% on your third, 1% on your fourth, 1% on your fifth. Now, on your expert leader level, you have to have a turnover of $5,000 team turnover in order to qualify for the expert leader which allows you to earn 12%. Now, once you get to the VIP leader level, you will earn 15%, which on your level 1, you will now earn 9%, level 2, 3%, level 3, 1%, level 4, 1%, and also on level 5, you will earn 1%. But you also have to have a team turnover amount of $25,000 combined turnover with your team in order to qualify for the VIP level. Now, if you are a great, outstanding builder and you become an elite leader, you will earn that 20%, which will allow you to earn 6% on your first level, 2% on your second level, 1% on your third, 1% on your fourth, 6% on your fifth, 1% on your sixth. But you have to have a team turnover amount of $100,000 with your team. Okay, that if you want to referral, you want to build a team. Like I said, you don't have to build a team. You can earn passively utilize this platform. Now, you have a lot of people that come to these platforms and they are tire kickers. Now, if you are interested and you want to join this platform, take action to earn up to 1% to 3% daily income. Link will be in the description. Register, create your account, and get started. Now, here is some of the results and some of the trade that the owner have taken. Now, you can look through these trades right here and just pause the video and just look at some of the results. They speak for themselves. Now, here are the trading packages that this company offers. Now, each one of these trading packages, they are business days only, no weekend. So you only get paid 5 days a week. Now, with each one of these packages, your investment is returned at the end of the cycle. So as you can see here, package 1 has a 1% daily, and you get 20 business days, and the minimum investment is $100, and the payout takes up to 1 hour, okay, after the cycle is done. Okay, so the second package is 2% daily, and it's 25 business days. That's business days, guys, and the payout time is 40 minutes. But with the second package, the minimum investment is $1,000. Okay, now the third trading package is 3% daily, and it's 30 business days, and the payout time is 10 minutes. But the minimum investment is $3,000, which gives you that 190% return, which 100% is your investment, and 90% is the interest that you earn off of your deposit. And with the second one, you get 150%. And the first one, you get 120% ROI. Okay, so here are some of the payment method that this company accepts. They accept Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, USDT, and Perfect Money. These are the payment methods that this company is currently accepting. Okay, so the current Bitcoin crypto market bull run is about to start. As you can see here by this graph, it will be going up to $100,000. But I think currently it having a pullback, and it's around 55,000. But I think it got up to about 68,000 just this last bull run. So, and as you can see here, this is the time to stack up Bitcoin with Futurestrade.io before it goes to $100,000. Now, this right here is just a graph that you can just look at. Now, here's the company address right here. And also, If you want to contact support, here's the company email address, as you can see right here. Now guys, a lot of these companies do have Telegram and Facebook groups. So I would say join the Facebook group and also the Telegram group, because with this company here, the owner is very active in the Facebook group and Telegram. So just make sure once you go to the sign up page, go ahead and go through the Telegram and Facebook. Go ahead and sign up, join the group, and stay connected. Now, thank you for watching my video. Link will be in the description if you need to know more about this company. I also will have a link to the Telegram and Facebook group in the description. So until I make another video, thanks for watching and see you soon.